Warrant Officer Phakula ulandise ikhomishana ukuthi wayilandela yonke imithetho ngesikhathi ephethe endaweni yesigameko futhi zonke izikhwama ezazinesidakamizwa zazivaliwe. Kodwa ubufakazi obuphambi kwekhomishana kuveze izinsolo zokuthi uPhakula nezinye izikhulu zamaphoyisa baxambukela ophenyweni lokushaqwa kwesidakamizwa ngoNtulikazi ngo-2021.
You wouldn't have written in your statement, there's that paragraph where you describe the scene. You say the crime scene was handled and there was nothing out of place.
Yes.
If you had seen that one of the bags was torn or was open, you would have said that. Otherwise, you saw it and you lied and said the scene was intact.
Ubuzo ukuthi wazi kanjani ukuthi kwakuyisidakamizwa lezi ezazisendaweni yesigameko uma engakaze azivule. uPhakula waba ingxenye yabantu ababoshwa ngokutholakala nesidakamizwa ngokungemthetho endaweni yesigameko.
How did you know it was drugs? Because you did not open the bags and look inside. How did you know it was drugs?
The smell.
What?
With the smell
Smell of what?
of cocaine.
You could smell cocaine?
Yes,
And
I-
you could tell that it was cocaine?
It was suspected cocaine, yes.
Given how they are wrapped, given the research that I've conducted over the lunchtime, you cannot smell, you could not have possibly smelled any drugs under those circumstances. So your version that you could smell the drugs, it's completely false.
Ikhomishana izwe ukuthi kwaba nezinsolo zokuthi isidakamizwa kwangezika General Firoz Khan wophiko lwezobunhloli.